Parallel Lines and Triangle by Isaac Matos. Welcome to our lesson on parallel lines and triangles. Today, we will be learning about the definitions and properties of these important geometric concepts. Parallel lines. Let's start with parallel lines. Parallel lines are two lines in a plane that never intersect. They always stay the same distance apart and have the same slope. Transversals. When a third line intersects two parallel lines, it is called a transversal. The transversal creates 8 angles, 4 on each side of the parallel lines. Alternate interior angles. The angles that are formed on opposite sides of the transversal and inside the parallel lines are called alternate interior angles. They are congruent to each other. Corresponding angles. The angles that are formed on the same side of the transversal and outside the parallel lines are called corresponding angles. They are also congruent to each other. Triangle. Now, let's move on to triangles. A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides and 3 angles. Types of triangles. There are several types of triangles, including equilateral, isosceles, scalene, and right triangles. Equilateral triangles have 3 equal sides and 3 equal angles. Isosceles triangles have 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles. Scalene triangles have 3 unequal sides and 3 unequal angles. Right triangles have 1 right angle, which measures 90 degrees. One important property of right triangles is the Pythagorean theorem, which states that the sum of the squares of the legs of a right triangle equals the square of the hypotenuse. Finally, we have the theorem about triangles, which states that the sum of the measures of the angles in any triangle is 180 degrees. This theorem can be used to find missing measures of angles or sides in a triangle. Conclusion. That's it for our lesson on parallel lines and triangles. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. Remember to practice using these definitions and concepts in your own geometry problems to solidify your understanding.